Welcome back to our web app security series using Vulnerable Bank. This is the episode 5 of our series. And in this episode, I will be exploiting the race condition on Vulnerable Bank to make transfers of amounts beyond what I have in my account balance. So if you look at the screen right now, you see the user April with account balance of $1,000. Then if I go to the user John, you can also see that he has a balance of $1,000. So I'll be making John transfer money beyond $1,000 to April using risk condition. I'll be exploiting the risk condition available on Vulnerable Bank. So let's get into the exploit. So let me go to April's account and copy her account number. Then back to John's account, I make a transfer, I input our account number, the amount. Currently we have $1,000 here, so I would make $500. In a description, I would say risk condition, which is optional by the way. So before sending this request, I would go into Bob Suite. Let me close this. So back in Bob Suite, I'll turn on my intercept and come back to my browser. So April's account number, amount 500, description risk condition. So I'll send the request send money. In my box suite, instead of sending this to my repeater to run the attack or exploit, I will send this to an extension called Turbo Intruder. Send to Turbo Intruder. You can go on your box suite extension here, install as many extensions as you have. This is the Python script I will be using for this exploit. So what I'll be doing is send 8 requests of $500. I'll be making a transfer of $500 from John's account to April's account 8 times, and all this must happen in milliseconds so that I can exploit the race condition. This is the request here. You can see 500 amount, the account number. So I'll click attack. This will take a few seconds to start running. Okay, we can see here that we have our request here already. You can see that we had 4 requests that run successfully. Then the other 4 requests were showing insufficient funds, status error. So we had 4 requests run successfully. So to show you what has happened, I would turn off my intercept and go back to the web browser. So let's go to April's account, which is the recipient. So this is April's account. I would make a refresh here. We can see the balance here 1000. So let's see what it shows after the update, after the refresh rather. So you can see April now has $3,000 from a balance of $1,000. And if you check transaction history, you can see $500 be sent to her 4 times successfully, which means she received $2,000. So if we go to John's account, John initially had $1,000 account, and we made him send $500 4 times, which is 2,000, which means he was able to send beyond what he have in his account balance. So let me make a refresh on John's account also. So you can see John's account is now showing a negative balance of minus 1000, which is the excess that will made him send beyond what he had in the account initially. You can see the transaction here. He had $1,000 minus 500 minus 500, then minus 500 minus 500, which now makes up minus 1000. So this is how you can exploit the risk condition on vulnerable bank to make an account send beyond what it has in it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. See you on the next one.